Today's video is about leveraging the powers of Docker for your Angular application. You might be a DevOps person playing around with Dockerizing stuff, or maybe you are an Angular developer who needs to Dockerize your Angular application. Maybe for local development or to share the application as a Docker image for testing. There are lots of benefits to Docker which include security, scalability, quick setup time, etc. But we won't be discussing them here. Before diving into the main content, let's take an example. You have a new developer working with you. Normal circumstances, he would need all software setup and configurations done on his system, and that takes a lot of time. If your application is in the Docker environment, then the onboarding would be as easy as running few Docker commands, since the actual servers would run inside Docker containers. Jumping to the topic of this video. If you just need a local server to build and deploy your application, then a really quick solution would be using bind mounts. Bind mounts just link a path inside the running Docker container to the path in your host system. So first, we build our application using npm run build. In the dist folder, we get the required files which the container will serve. Now, all we need to do is spin up a ngx container, expose the port where we want our application to run, and that's it. Since I'm using Docker Toolbox, our application is running on some URL and not localhost. We will not get into the details of how Docker works, but if you need help on any topic, put it in the comment section below. We are assuming you are familiar with the basics of Docker. Now let's create a Docker image of our application which we can use to spin up containers or to share to other developers testers easily without any setup requirement. For creating Docker images, we need a Docker file. Create a file with case sensitive name Docker file in Angular project's root directory where we have package.json. Inside the Docker file, we are going to first build our application using the node image. For this, we set up the base layer of Node Alpine and copy our package.json file into the image so that we can run npm command to build our application. In second stage, we then change the image to nginx where we copy the build artifacts into the nginx path given. Here, we have two stages, and in early years of Docker, we needed a shell script to first build our application and then clean it up and create a new image for the actual deployed application. Now, with multi-stage build introduced in Docker, it is all possible through a single Docker file. Remember that the path you copy to nginx should be the one which has index.html file. You may change the path from Angular configuration, but in Docker file, if the path does not have index.html, you will get a generic 403 error from nginx. Now, we can execute the docker build command in the path having Docker file to create our application's image. Once the image is created, just run it using the docker run command, and that's it. Your application will run on the port you specify in the P option. Hope this video helps you out. That's all for now.